This week, we are focusing on subtraction. We are going to be finding two different ways to find the difference. The difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So as we look at subtraction problems, we're going to talk about counting up and counting back. So let me write a subtraction problem for us on here. And let's look at 12, oops, wrong one, sorry. Let's look at 12 take away 3. 12 minus 3. Since we're only going back 3, this would be a great one to count back. So on count back, we're going to start at 12. If you have a number line in front of you, you can use a number line. You could use a number line in your brain, or even just count back. So I'm going to start at 12, and if I'm subtracting 3, I'm going to go back 3 hops, or 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So I started on 12 and I went 1, 2, 3. And then I notice I'm on 9. So 12 take away 3 is 9. This is a way to solve subtraction facts fluently. We want to be able to find that difference, find that answer effectively and accurately and fairly quickly. Okay? So if it's a -1 or -2, -3, we can use our number line to subtract. Okay? Let's try another one. 7, oopsie, so sorry. There we go. 7 take away 2. And again, this would be a great one to count back on the number line because I'm only going to go back 2 spaces. So I'm going to start at 7 and go 1, 2. So 7 take away 2 equals 5. Now, let's talk about another way we can solve subtraction facts because we said today we were going to focus on 2 different ways. Let's look at this one. If I want to do 18 take away 9, 18 minus 9. Well, if I'm starting at 18 and I need to go back 9, that's actually quite a few to go on my number line. So let's think of another way we could solve this. Another way we can solve it is by thinking of a related addition fact, okay? Well, here the total is 18 and I'm taking away 9. So if I want the related addition fact, I need to put the partners first, the add-ins first, so it's going to be 9 because that's the part that I was taking away. So for addition, that's my parts are first because I go part, whole when I'm doing addition. So then I'm going to say, I don't know what the other part is, but I do know all together the whole is 18. Oh, are you thinking, do you know something that equals 18? I bet you already got it. Wow, this way really helped us. So instead of using the number line to count back, I did a related addition fact, and then I already know in my brain that this is a doubles fact. This is 9 plus 9. So now I know 18 take away 9 equals 9. So another way we can solve subtraction facts is by using related addition facts. Let's try another one. Let's try 13 take away 8. We talked about counting back on a number line, but going back 8 spaces doesn't seem as efficient as maybe another way. So let's try another way. Let's try that related facts again. Okay, 13 is my total and 8 is a partner. So when I write addition fact, I need to put the partners first. And let's see, I know 8 is a partner, but I don't know the other partner. But I do know all together, that's 13. So let's see, you know what? I don't already know 8 plus something equals 13. So here I'm going to count up. So I'm going to say 8 and, I'm just going to draw circles, 8 and 1 more, or you could do it on your number line. 8 and 1 more is 9. Another one would be 10 if I'm counting up. 8 and 2 is 10. Another one would be 11, 12. Oh, there's 13. So 8 and this many more equals 13, because 8 and one more was 9, another one was 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 and 5 more. When I count, there's 5 circles there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 and 5 is 13. So now I know 13 take away 8 is 5. Let's try another one of these where we're doing the related fact and we're counting up. Let's try this one. Let's try 9 take away 7. I'm probably not very efficient to start at 9 and count back on my number lines, so let's do a related fact. Now 9 is my total, that's all together how many I had, and then I'm taking away 7. So I'm gonna say 7 plus something equals 9. Oh, do you already have it? All right, let's see. It is 7 and one more would be 8 and another one would be 9. Yes, 7 and 2 equals 9. So I'm gonna say 9 take away 7 equals 2. All right, keep practicing those subtraction facts so you can become more fluent. Today we talked about counting back on a number line. If we're only counting back 1, 2, or 3, if it's a -1, 2, or 3. And we said if it's more than that, we might try a missing add-in and counting up. Good job today.